Hi, my name is Miss Heidi and today we're making cotton ball slingshots. The supplies we need for this craft are cotton balls, scissors, a plastic cup, a balloon, and some duct tape. First, we're going to take the plastic cup and we're going to cut off the top of it. And then we're going to take the balloon and we're going to tie it off first. And then we're going to take the top and we're going to cut. And then we're going to stretch it over the cup. And then we're going to take the tape and we're going to secure the balloon to the cup. And the tape will crinkle some when you're trying to get it up over, but that's okay. So as long as you get it pretty secure. Okay, make sure it's on there good. And then we're going to take the cotton balls and we're going to load it in to the cup. And this is our cotton ball slingshot. We hope you enjoyed this craft. Remember to like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.